If you're considering AnswerDash for your business, there are 12 things you absolutely need to know before you make your decision. With so many help desk software options available, it's important to weigh all the pros and cons, especially when compared to other platforms out there. So let's dive in. First, AnswerDash offers a unique approach with its AI-driven self-service support. This feature helps customers find answers instantly, reducing the number of support tickets. However, compared to other tools like Zendesk or Freshdesk, AnswerDash might not have as many customizable workflows. Next, it's worth mentioning AnswerDash's integration capabilities. It integrates well with popular platforms like Salesforce, Shopify, and others. But if your business relies on more niche tools or requires advanced customization, you might find the integrations a bit limited compared to competitors like Zoho Desk, which offers a wider range of integrations. The third thing you should know is about its reporting tools. AnswerDash provides basic reporting on customer interactions, but it lacks the depth of analytics that platforms like Freshdesk or Zendesk offer. If you need detailed performance metrics, you may need to look elsewhere. Next thing to note is the knowledge base feature. AnswerDash excels in providing an interactive knowledge base that customers can search through. While it's a good option for reducing repetitive questions, it might not be as robust or flexible as Zendesk's more advanced knowledge management tools. Now, let's talk about customization. AnswerDash offers some customization options, but it's not as flexible as Freshdesk when it comes to creating tailored ticketing systems or automation workflows. If you're looking for something that can be highly customized, you might need to consider other options. The fifth thing you should consider is the user interface. AnswerDash has a clean, easy-to-navigate interface, which makes it accessible for non-technical users. However, when compared to Zendesk, you may find that AnswerDash lacks some of the advanced features in its interface, which could be a deal breaker for larger teams. Next up, let's look at the pricing structure. AnswerDash has a relatively straightforward pricing model, but it's not as transparent as some competitors. With platforms like Zoho Desk offering more pricing tiers and a clear breakdown, AnswerDash might leave you with questions about what you're paying for. The seventh point to consider is customer support. While AnswerDash does provide standard customer support channels, you may find the response time slower compared to other platforms like Freshdesk, which offers 24/7 live chat support and a stronger reputation for customer care. Next, AnswerDash includes multi-channel support, meaning you can manage inquiries from email, chat, and social media all in one place. However, if your business depends on voice support, you may find AnswerDash's voice integrations lacking when compared to the more robust options available in Zendesk or Freshdesk. The ninth thing you need to know is about automation. AnswerDash includes basic automation for repetitive tasks, but it doesn't offer the same level of automation as Zoho Desk or Zendesk. For businesses looking for highly automated workflows, AnswerDash may feel limiting. Next, we should talk about scalability. AnswerDash is suitable for small to mid-sized businesses, but it might not scale as efficiently as other options like Freshdesk. Larger teams or businesses with complex support needs may find AnswerDash lacking in the scalability department. Another thing to note is the mobile app. AnswerDash provides a mobile app, but it's not as feature-rich as some of its competitors like Zendesk or Zoho Desk, which offer more comprehensive mobile capabilities for managing tickets on the go. The 12th and final point is security. AnswerDash includes standard security measures, but it may not offer the same level of encryption and compliance features as platforms like Zendesk, which excels in handling sensitive customer data with more advanced security protocols. So, is AnswerDash a good option? Absolutely. It offers a solid range of features, especially for businesses looking for a self-service support system. But if you're looking for a more comprehensive solution with more advanced features, integrations, and better scalability, we recommend you check out our recommended solution. You can even try it for free to see if it's the right fit for your business.